Okay, it's August 1st, so that's time for a new video. Just gonna comb through my hair right now. Dee, 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 dee. Okay, so I was making silly sounds. I'm so used to talking to my young daughter that I'm always making sounds now. Didn't even realize it until after I did it. Anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. Growing it kind of long again on top. Standing right in front of this big window right here. Mm. That's what it's looking like. Nothing new really to update. As I told you, Dr. Sean Benham did reach out to me a few months ago, talking about getting another hair transplant, making it thicker, lowering the hairline. I was deciding to, but then I declined to because I don't know, I'm just a bit just too busy right now, and like I said, I just don't. I'm pushing 40 now. I'm turning 39 this month. It's going to be 10 years post-op actually this week, I think, for oh no, next month will be 10 years post-op for the front half, and then the back half will be next year, 10 years post-op. The hair's held up, but yeah, I just you know turning 39 in a week, about 7 days, and that's good enough. Pretty good. I've seen other 39-year-olds, if you're not comparing like movie stars and stuff. Of course, there's those exceptions who still have their dark, thick hair, but everybody has their own things. Uh, but this is what it's looking like. Leave your comments, concerns, uh, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll be back next month on my actual 10 year post op.